In this video, I'll be showing you how to use client onboarding forms with freelance portals to streamline your client intake process and make your projects run smoothly. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using and you won't want to miss it. First, why are client onboarding forms important? They're essential for gathering all the critical information you need to start working with a new client. Instead of spending hours chasing down details, onboarding forms help you get everything in one place, fast. This can include project details, timelines, and even payment preferences. Now let's look at how to incorporate these forms into freelance portals. When you're working with freelance portals like Upwork or Fiverr, they have systems in place that let you upload and manage your client forms. The first thing you want to do is create your onboarding form. This can include anything from the project scope, budget, preferred communication style, and any other details relevant to your work. Make sure the form is clear, easy to fill out, and covers all the basics, because the more information you have up front, the fewer surprises you'll have down the road. Next, when you're ready to share your form, you'll want to integrate it with your freelance portal. Most portals let you upload custom documents or link to external forms like Google Forms or Typeform. Once you've chosen the tool that works best for you, simply share the link with your client when you first make contact. This helps ensure you're both on the same page before moving forward. If your portal allows for built-in forms or templates, that's even better. Use the platform's pre-made templates to speed up the process or customize them as needed. Make sure you set the right expectations by providing a clear professional explanation of the form's purpose. When clients understand the importance of filling out the form accurately, you're more likely to get all the details you need without a hitch. Once the form is filled out, review the answers to ensure you have all the information needed to begin the project. This is where the real value comes in. You can reference this form throughout the project to stay on track and make sure you're meeting the client's needs. Now here's where the magic happens. Some freelance portals allow you to automate parts of this process, which can save you time. If you're using software with automation features, you can automatically send the form after a client accepts your proposal or even schedule follow-ups if the form isn't completed. This can save you a ton of time on admin tasks and allow you to focus on what you do best, delivering great work. If you're looking for a simple way to start using client onboarding forms with freelance portals, I've got something special for you. I've tested all the popular software out there, and the software we'll be using today is my personal recommendation for getting the job done efficiently. It's streamlined, easy to integrate with most freelance portals, and includes everything you need to manage onboarding like a pro. And because you're watching this video, you can access an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below, only for my channel viewers, so make sure to check that out. To wrap up, let's go over the key takeaways. Client onboarding forms are a must to collect all the information you need from your clients upfront, saving time and avoiding confusion. Use freelance portal integrations or external tools to make this process even easier. And don't forget, automation can help save you valuable time on follow-ups. Finally, take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description and start using these forms to streamline your workflow today. Thanks for watching.